Hello, my name is Narda, and in the next couple of minutes, I'd like to show you how Xypex crystalline technology waterproofs, protects, and repairs concrete. Since 1968, our crystalline technology has proven to be not only a more reliable overall solution for waterproofing, but a system that completely sidesteps the problems normally associated with products that simply cover concrete and ultimately fail. Simply put, the answer lies in the fact that instead of relying on performance at the surface or outside of the concrete, Xypex effectiveness is based on its performance inside the concrete. This is a core sample of concrete. Hard as concrete, you say? You're right, hard, but not as solid as you might think. In fact, throughout this sample is a network of openings, pores, capillaries, and microcracks. And while difficult to see with the naked eye, these openings are all potential avenues for water and other liquids. This natural condition in concrete was identified as the opportunity for Xypex, and our chemists took full advantage of it. The result? Xypex is formulated to penetrate deep into the concrete, to seal the openings and stop the water. The Xypex crystallization process is what makes all this possible. Xypex crystals have a unique design and composition, specifically formulated to work within the complex chemistry of concrete. The success of Xypex crystals lies in their ability to become an integral part of the concrete. So, Xypex crystals have properties all their own and have grown a reputation worldwide as the most potent, longest lasting, most effective crystals in the concrete waterproofing business. To demonstrate what our crystals look like, our lab people grew these Xypex crystals on the outside of this concrete cylinder. Most importantly, this is also what Xypex crystals look like when they grow into a full, non-soluble crystalline structure inside the concrete. Xypex is manufactured in powder form, a powder that uses water and the diffusion process to transport Xypex proprietary chemicals into and throughout the pores and capillaries of concrete. This is why the concrete not only can be wet, but must be wet. Such good news. Now, let me show you some pictures of this process, a close-up of Xypex in action. Using electron microscope photography, we went 50 millimeters inside this concrete surface to demonstrate Xypex at work. This is an image of a cross-section of wet concrete before Xypex is applied. What we are seeing are some of the byproducts of cement hydration: calcium hydroxide, mineral salts, and various cement particles. Add Xypex and exciting things start to happen. This shows the beginning of the reaction between Xypex, moisture, and the byproducts of cement hydration. This reaction begins at the concrete surface and continues deep into the concrete mass. After 26 days, this process grows into a mature, non-soluble crystalline structure that looks like this. Xypex has now become an integral part of the concrete structure. Pores, capillaries, and microcracks are fully sealed, and the concrete is now impenetrable by water and other liquids from any direction, even under extreme hydrostatic pressure. Other good news? Xypex will reactivate whenever water is present. And that's it. Around the world for almost 40 years, Xypex has been and continues to be a technology, a product, and a company that people trust. We look forward to having you with us as part of the worldwide Xypex customer family. Thanks for watching.